Hey, what's your favorite type of cuisine?
Oh, that's a tough one. I love trying different cuisines, but I think I have a soft spot for Italian food. How about you?
Italian is great. I'm more inclined towards Asian cuisine, especially Thai and Japanese.
Nice. I've always wanted to try authentic Thai food. Any recommendations for a must-try dish?
You have to try pad Thai. It's a classic Thai noodle dish with a perfect balance of sweet, sour, and savory flavors. It's absolutely delicious.
Oh, that sounds mouth-watering. I'll definitely keep that in mind. So, have you tried any new restaurants recently?
Yes, I went to a new Mexican restaurant downtown. Their tacos were phenomenal. The flavors were so vibrant and the salsa was amazing.
I love Mexican cuisine. Tacos are always a hit. Which filling did you go for?
I tried their grilled chicken and avocado tacos. They were simply divine. I highly recommend them if you're ever in the area.
Noted. I'll make sure to check it out. By the way, do you enjoy cooking yourself?
Yes, I do. I find it therapeutic and love experimenting with new recipes. What about you?
Cooking is not my strong suit, but I'm trying to learn. I recently tried making sushi at home, and it turned out pretty well.
That's impressive. Sushi can be a bit challenging, but it's so satisfying to make your own rolls. Did you enjoy the process?
Absolutely. It was a lot of fun and the taste was worth the effort. I might try making it again sometime.
That's great to hear. Cooking is all about practice and trying new things. You'll get better with time.
I hope so. Any other favorite dishes or culinary experiences you want to share?
Well, I recently tried an authentic Indian curry at a local restaurant. The blend of spices was incredible and the aroma was irresistible.
Indian curries are so flavorful. I love the variety of spices they use. Which curry did you try?
It was a chicken tikka masala. The tender chicken in creamy tomato sauce was absolutely divine. You should give it a try if you haven't already.
I definitely will. Indian cuisine has so much to offer. Thanks for the suggestion. This conversation is making me hungry.
Haha, same here. We should plan a foodie outing sometime and explore different cuisines together.
Absolutely. That sounds like a fantastic idea. Let's make a list of all the places we want to try. Can't wait.
It's a plan then. Until then, let's keep discovering and savoring the delicious world of food.
Couldn't agree more. Take care and let's talk again soon. Bye for now.
Bye, take care and bon appetit. Hey, have you watched any good movies or TV shows lately?
Yes, I just watched a really interesting movie called Inception. It's a mind-bending thriller directed by Christopher Nolan.
Oh, I've heard of that one. The concept sounds intriguing. What did you think of it?
It was absolutely mind-blowing. The plot is so clever and keeps you guessing until the very end. The visuals are stunning too.
That's amazing. I'll definitely add it to my watch list. Any other recommendations?
Well, I also started watching a new TV series called Stranger Things. It's a mix of sci-fi, mystery, and 80s nostalgia. I'm hooked.
Oh, I've heard so much about Stranger Things. Everyone seems to love it. What makes it so special?
It's set in the 80s and has this nostalgic vibe with great storytelling and a talented young cast. The supernatural elements add an extra layer of excitement.
That sounds like my kind of show. I'll definitely check it out. Thanks for the recommendation.
No problem. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. Do you have any favorite movies or TV shows that you would recommend?
Well, one of my all-time favorite movies is The Shawshank Redemption. It's a powerful drama about friendship and hope in a prison setting.
Oh, I've heard amazing things about that movie, but I haven't watched it yet. I'll make sure to watch it soon.
You won't be disappointed. It's a truly captivating film. As for TV shows, Friends is a classic sitcom that I always recommend. It's hilarious and has great characters.
I've seen a few episodes of Friends and loved it. I should definitely watch it from the beginning. Thanks for reminding me.
You're welcome. It's a timeless show that never fails to make you laugh. So any other movies or TV shows on your radar?
Well, I've been hearing a lot about a new series called Money Heist. It's a Spanish show known for its suspense and thrilling storyline. I might give it a try.
Money Heist has gained quite a following. It's supposed to be really addictive. Let me know how it turns out for you.
Absolutely. I'll keep you updated. Thanks for chatting about movies and TV shows. It's always fun to share recommendations.
I agree. We should do this more often. Enjoy your movies and shows, and let's catch up again soon.
Definitely. Take care and see you soon. Bye for now.
Bye. Take care.
Hi, how are you doing?
Hi, I'm good, thanks. How about you?
I'm great too. So, what are your hobbies and interests?
Well, I really enjoy playing the guitar. I've been learning it for a few months now.
That's awesome. Do you play any specific genre of music?
Yes, I mostly play rock and pop music. It's so much fun to strum the chords and learn new songs.
That sounds really cool. I've always wanted to learn to play an instrument. Maybe I should give it a try too.
Definitely, it's a great way to express yourself and unwind. What about you? What are your hobbies and interests?
I love reading books. Fiction, especially mystery and suspense, is my favorite genre.
That's interesting. Any book recommendations?
Absolutely. Have you heard of The Girl on the Train by Paula Hawkins? It's a gripping thriller that you might enjoy.
Oh, I've heard about that book. I'll add it to my reading list for sure.
Great. Let me know how you like it once you're done reading.
Will do. Thanks for the suggestion.
You're welcome. So, apart from playing the guitar and reading, do you have any other hobbies?
Well, I also like hiking and exploring nature. It's refreshing to be outdoors and surrounded by greenery.
That sounds amazing. I should join you sometime. I've been meaning to spend more time in nature.
That would be fantastic. We can plan a hiking trip together.
Count me in. It'll be a great opportunity to try something new.
I'm looking forward to it. Let's make the most of our hobbies and enjoy our free time.
Absolutely. It's important to do what we love and find joy in our hobbies.
Couldn't agree more. So any other hobbies or interests you want to share?
Not at the moment, but I'll definitely let you know if I pick up something new. How about you?
I think we covered most of it. But if I find any new interests, I'll be sure to update you.
Sounds like a plan. Thanks for the chat. It was nice talking about our hobbies.
Likewise, let's catch up soon and plan that hiking trip.
Absolutely. Take care and see you soon.
You too. Bye for now.